B&B Auto Sales today. We're out driving our 67 Cutlass Convertible, running down the road about 60. We got about a 15-20 mile an hour wind today, so not pretty airtight for the age of the car. What kind of wind we got today? So good cruising car with the top up or down. So you see the gas gauge working, speedometer working, odometer moving. Drives really nice, you know. There I'm barely holding on to the steering wheel, even with a little bit of wind pushing me. So goes down the road very nice, smooth. The motor runs smooth. We'll show you the brakes here. Brakes all work good, so got good acceleration. That 330's got pretty good power. So you got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.